Hey guys, it's Joyce Meettoo here and welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how you can actually promote products that you have bought as your assets. And you all guys know that assets are really important for an internet marketer inside of his business. Now, so if you're new to my video or my channel, my name is Joyce Meettoo and I do videos about affiliate marketing and actually teach you guys how you can earn money online. So if you're one of those people who actually separated themselves from the crowd and actually want to make an online business and earn their passive income online, do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. What I'll do is I'll just send you a notification whenever I upload a new video concerning the videos that you like. So without further ado, let's jump right into the topic. Okay, the first thing you need to know is what you will learn in this unit. So they are, what are the best assets you will need? What will your approximate yearly and daily investment be? And last, how to use your power of affiliate marketer to recover back your investment. No matter what niche you are going to promote or in what online business you are, you will always require assets to grow your online business and make it work. These assets that I am going to talk about are the very foundation of your online business. Any successful online business, person, or organization you will analyze, you will find that they all have a strong business foundation upon which they built their success. Without a solid, good foundation, your business will topple over. An example is for a building to be able to stand firm, its base and foundation should really be stable and strong enough to support the building's whole weight. Or whenever someone is building a house, they all do the foundation first. If not, the house will crumble. Similarly for your business, without the proper foundation, which in this case is your assets, you will find it hard to cope with your business and eventually it will fall as it grows without a proper and strong foundation. So it is important for you guys to have your assets ready and set up like this. In the long run, you will be able to make quick progress and grow better. The list of assets that you will require is number one. Number one actually should have been a hosting website, domain name, blog, and funnels, funnel software, and autoresponder, messenger bot, and a proven system that works, that is a product to promote for you to get sales and commissions. And if we look at these assets in a structural way, they will look like this, with these four being your greatest and most stable foundation. So let me give you the description of the assets you must use. The best asset you will need is a proper website, which you will use as your blog to build organic traffic. However, to have your website online, you will require a place that will actually host your website. It is called a web hosting platform. The best I know is BLUEHOST. Okay? When you create your website through BLUEHOST, you will get a free domain name. Your domain name actually gives you a more authoritative touch in your online business, and your ease of doing business in online platforms becomes smoother. BLUEHOST is normally $7.99 per month, but through me you will get it for $3.95 per month. However, for all first-timers, if you follow through properly, you can actually get it for $2.95 per month with what I'll be showing you in the following course. But guys, these are the prices if you choose to take it for a 3-year package. But still, the price is way more cheaper than any other places. And throughout this course, I will provide you the necessary trainings to get yourself a clean website and your blog running with the required tools so that you can start making money organically. The next asset is a funnel software. It's a software that allows people to create landing pages, to get the information of their leads, host webinars, to educate their prospects about a particular product or service, and also provide membership areas that will bring you a recurring income, and so many more, guys. There are actually so many more things you can do through a funnel software provider. Anyone who starts an online business, regardless of what niche they are in, they will all need landing pages as well as bridge pages. If they are trying to sell their products, services, or offers, they will most definitely need a complete sales funnel. The best funnel provider is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels offers you a whole cookbook of your funnel pages that you will need. Already made for you funnels, and all you have to do is simply plug and play, plug and edit. You also get a 14 days trial. After that, you will get 2 subscription packages. One is $97 per month, and the other one is $297 per month. The next important asset is your autoresponder. What it does is it allows you to do email marketing, where you are able to write all your emails and schedule their sending date and time. This is practically known as autoresponder. What I use is GetResponse. Okay. Actually, guys, autoresponders are now old school because of a process called automation, and this is only available in GetResponse. With automation, you actually know who opened, or how many people, how many of your leads actually opened your emails, and how many people actually clicked on the link in your emails. And based on that, you can further decide what emails to send your leads based on their actions towards your emails. With GetResponse, you actually get 30 days trial without inputting your bank account details or card. And if you choose to get response on a monthly basis, you will pay $15 per month. And if you choose its annual package for the time frame of 2 years, it actually becomes $10.50 per month. A quick note, in order not to get your IP address banned and labeled as a spammer, you will need to register in your autoresponder with your domain name. And for that, you will need a professional G Suite account, and it is $6 per month. And I will show you guys how it's done in order for you to get it more cheaper. So, and the next asset is a messenger bot. And it's actually making quite a buzz online as it increases the conversion rate of your traffic to become your potential buyers. This asset will be required to grow your organic and free traffic on Facebook and Messenger, and I will teach you guys how to do it. For that, you will be needing a Messenger on Facebook, and getting a Facebook is free, and using Messenger is free as well. So you can use Facebook platform to actually make money. The Messenger bot will actually allow you to send mass broadcasts to all the subscribers in your bot list. There are some Messenger bot, but in this training, I will mostly talk about many chats. Yeah. And it has 2 versions. One is free for life, and the second one is $10 per month. So it all depends on you, what you seem best. Now, let's say we look at the yearly investment you need to do in your asset. Number 1, web hosting, funnel, and autoresponder, and like I said, G Suite. And if we add all of these investment, we get $1,451 plus 40 cents. If we calculate the daily investment, we get around $3.98. So basically, it is a minimum of $4 per day. But that is not all, guys. I will now show you how you can and will recover this investment you can make from your affiliate commissions. Affiliate marketing is not only about investing in assets, guys. It is also about being able to promote products you have already bought, tried, and got results with them. Even if you haven't got results, it doesn't mean you can't promote it. These products, that is your assets, are there for a reason, and they have already been proven to work. So let me show you how the power of being an affiliate marketer helps minimize your daily investment. So the first thing to do is become an affiliate of your assets and start promoting them. Since most of the assets are paid monthly, it means if you get referrals, you will get recurring monthly commissions, right? And if we look at ClickFunnels, it does cost $97 per month, right? And if you become an affiliate of ClickFunnels, you will be able to earn affiliate commissions on a monthly basis. Actually, before becoming an affiliate of ClickFunnels, I would suggest to complete a challenge, which I will discuss with you in a few minutes. This will greatly help you in your journey in ClickFunnels. So let's take a quick look. This actually is the login dashboard of ClickFunnels. It says you can earn up to 40% commission, okay? But your first 40 referrals, you will be able to earn only 30%. Good. And once you get more referrals, more than 40 referrals that is, the percentage commission increases to 40%. So a quick maths here. The commission we can make from one referral is 30% of $97, which is $29.1. And in order to cover the cost of your ClickFunnels account, you need to bring in, if we do the calculation, you need to actually bring in 3.3 people, 3.3 person. Now, you can't actually get 3.3 people, right? Or you can, either you get 3 or you get 4. But let's say you get 4, okay? You get 4. And your total monthly income with those 4 people becomes $116.10. And this makes a profit of $19.40. Okay? There are also other ways to earn commissions income from ClickFunnels, and this is what I'm going to show you next. The second thing, okay, you can do is to actually promote products that have good value ladders. Now, for those who don't know what value ladders are, or a value ladder is, visualize a stair in the side view, okay? The more you climb the stair, the more you will get value, and thus, the more you will have to pay for this amount of value being given. There are actually 2 main products that I love promoting as an affiliate, and they are ClickFunnels and Legendary Marketer. Okay, in this section, let's take ClickFunnels as an example, okay? Its business is not only about selling you memberships, right? They really do give you a lot of value in their teachings. Also, this company has more than one value ladder. They actually care about teaching you how you can start learning, building funnels on your own. But let me continue with ClickFunnels value ladder. So the first example is the .com secrets. Okay, the value ladder of this product is simply amazing. Every step of the value ladder provides a large amount of value. Of course, its pricing will increase depending on the amount of value you're going to receive. With the promotion of the .com secrets book, you can earn up to $967. It's true not everyone will buy the products at all the steps in your value ladder, but the possibility of earning this commission through someone who is really wanting to change his or her business is actually there, okay? And another example is the copywriting secrets book, with having a potential earning going up to $329.40. And there are actually so many products having amazing value ladder inside ClickFunnels, and all you need to do is simply to promote them, and the funnel will simply convert your traffic into sales. However, in order to be accepted as a ClickFunnels affiliate faster, okay, I would recommend anyone to go through a training prepared by ClickFunnels itself called the One Funnel Away Challenge. Okay, you don't actually need to do it, but I personally recommend it because the process of being an affiliate, it goes faster because they know that you went through a valuable training. This training, it's already worth more than $3,000, but you get all these values for only $100. Now, I did this challenge back in October 2019, right? And trust me, it was the best $100 ever spent. Okay, people always say that you get what you pay, right? Well, with this one funnel away challenge, guys, you are getting way more for what you just paid, right? And when you promote the one funnel away challenge as an affiliate, you will get 100% commission, which in this case is you will be getting $100. And the third thing you can do is promote high-end ticket products. Okay, let's say you are promoting a product of $10, right? And you receive a commission of 40%. So 40% of $10 is $4. And if you want to make, let's say, $1,000 a month, so you will need to actually find 250%. But if you promote a product that costs $1,000 and you are getting a 40% commission, so all you need to do is take $1,000, divide by the number of commissions you are receiving per sale, and it is 2.5 people. Now, which means you have to find 2.5 people, but you can't find 2.5 people, right? You can get 3 people, okay? And if you get 3 people, it makes 3 times your commission per sale, which is $400, and it becomes $1,200. Now, which has an extra $200 from your target goal. Now, this is where my favorite product to promote comes in, okay? My favorite product to promote my high-end ticket product is Legendary Marketer. It has low-end tickets as well as high-end tickets, as well as 2 levels of affiliate commission basis. When I started my online business as a complete newbie, I started with Legendary Marketer, okay? They actually have a 15 days challenge to actually teach you all the required knowledge that you need to start your own online business. They also offer a one-time chance to apply to become their affiliate, and it costs $2,500. You don't actually need to pay for that fee, but if you do, they leave no stones unturned to train you to become one of the best affiliates. Legendary Marketer costs $7 to start, and as I said, they will get you 15 days education and 1 business advisor, as well as scripts you can use to make your business make sales, right? You can also decide to become a member of their club, and trust me, the amount of value you actually get is really immense. And if you didn't choose the one-time offer to be an affiliate, you can always apply to be the affiliate. However, the possibility to be accepted as the affiliate is really low because they will not be sure without the required training if you will be able to promote the product or not. If you guys really want to get full training from the amazing internet marketers in the industry and want to promote high-end ticket products, my #1 recommendation is Legendary Marketer. So I will leave my affiliate links of all the required assets I talked in this unit. And guys, I would really appreciate if you guys buy and get access to your assets through my affiliate link. If you actually want to thank me for giving you the right knowledge in internet marketing and affiliate marketing, and this action of yours will really help in providing more contents. And our next unit will consist of your first 3 assets, and I will show you the step-by-step procedure on how you can start your blog to generate free traffic for life. So I'll end this video here, guys, and I really hope you got value. And please, if you're trying to get your assets, please do so by clicking on my affiliate links. And like I said, it really helps a lot to provide you guys more content. So I will leave this video, guys. So don't forget to actually subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. It's been fun.